Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to unmute someone in Bluesky social app. So for example, I'm going to mute someone. So I'm going to mute this user for tutorial purpose. You can see the third option, mute account. So this account muted now. I am not able to see his post anymore, but it's not blocked. So then go to your page. Then how can you unmute him? So you can see three line top left corner on your screen, and click moderation. So simply click moderation. Then here you'll get the option mute accounts. So simply click mute accounts. Then I recently muted this user. So simply click on his account, on his ID, and then you will see his or her profile page. So then click here, three dot. So simply click on that, and here you can see it's muted. So if you click unmute account, then it will be unmuted and it will be like common user like others. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.